This is where our list of the top 5 camping water heater available for purchase this year comes in. As always, you can find all of the product links in the description below. And let us know which devices you'd want to see in our upcoming videos in the comments. Number 5. The Seeutek Portable Water Heater. A compact, efficient, and versatile solution poised to transform your outdoor escapades. Embracing convenience, the Seeutek Portable Water Heater stands as a beacon of innovation, redefining convenience in the realm of outdoor activities. Crafted with the modern explorer in mind, this portable heater effortlessly marries functionality with portability, ensuring hot water is readily available wherever your journey takes you. KEY features swift heating capability. Despite its modest dimensions, the Seeutek portable water heater boasts impressive heating prowess. Fueled by propane gas, it swiftly elevates water to your desired temperature, ensuring you're never left longing for warmth amidst the elements. Compact design. Shedding the bulk associated with conventional water heaters, this portable marvel embodies the essence of minimalism. Its sleek and compact design not only conserves space, but also lends itself seamlessly to on-the-go lifestyles, whether you're trekking through the wilderness or navigating the concrete jungle. Customer testimonials. The resounding acclaim from customers who have experienced the Seeutek portable water heater firsthand serves as a testament to its unparalleled performance and reliability. Enthusiasts from all walks of life have extolled its virtues, citing its transformative impact on their outdoor endeavors. Final verdict: the Seeutek portable water heater emerges as a beacon of ingenuity, seamlessly bridging the gap between modern comfort and raw adventure. Whether you're embarking on a weekend camping trip, traversing the untamed wilderness, or simply seeking respite from the rigors of urban life, this portable heater is poised to elevate your outdoor experience to unprecedented heights. So, dare to venture beyond the confines of familiarity and let the Seeutek portable water heater be your trusted companion on the journey. Number 4. The Camplux 1.32 GPM Tankless Water Heater. A compact yet powerful solution designed to provide a steady stream of hot water whenever you need it. Efficiency redefined. The heart of the Camplux tankless water heater lies a commitment to efficiency. Traditional water heaters consume energy continuously to keep a large tank of water hot, regardless of whether it's being used. In contrast, tankless water heaters like the Camplux 1.32 GPM only heat water as it's needed, significantly reducing energy consumption and utility bills. With a heating capacity of 1.32 gallons per minute (GPM), this model is ideal for small to medium-sized households or as a supplementary unit in larger homes. Its compact design allows for easy installation in tight spaces, making it a versatile choice for a variety of applications, from residential bathrooms to RVs and cabins. Advanced features for enhanced performance. The Camplux 1.32 GPM tankless water heater boasts several advanced features to ensure reliable performance and user satisfaction. Equipped with innovative technology, it delivers consistent hot water temperature without the fluctuations commonly experienced with traditional tank heaters. This precision temperature control not only enhances comfort, but also minimizes water waste. Final thoughts: Camplux 1.32 GPM tankless water heater shines as a beacon of innovation. With its compact design, advanced features, and versatile performance, it represents a modern solution to traditional water heating challenges. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home or enhance your outdoor adventures, this tankless water heater delivers hot water on demand, ensuring comfort and convenience wherever you go. Number 3. The Camplux 5L Gas Tankless Water Heater stands out as a beacon of convenience and comfort. Designed to provide hot water on demand, this compact yet powerful device is revolutionizing how we experience the great outdoors. Let's delve into what makes the Camplux 5L a game changer for camping trips, cabins, RVs, and tiny homes alike. Efficiency and design. One of the standout features of the Camplux 5L gas tankless water heater is its compact and portable design. Weighing just 16 pounds and measuring at a mere 17.5 x 11.4 x 5.5 inches, this water heater is incredibly lightweight and easy to transport. Its small footprint makes it ideal for space-conscious environments, ensuring that you can enjoy the luxury of hot water without sacrificing valuable space. On-demand hot water. Gone are the days of waiting for water to heat up in a traditional tank. The Camplux 5L provides hot water instantly, thanks to its innovative tankless design. With a powerful 34,000 BTU per hour output, this water heater delivers a continuous flow of hot water at a rate of up to 1.32 gallons per minute. Whether you're taking a hot shower, washing dishes, or doing laundry, the Camplux 5L ensures that you have access to hot water whenever you need it. Final thoughts. Camplux 5L gas tankless water heater is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts and off-grid living enthusiasts alike. With its compact design, on-demand hot water capabilities, versatile applications, ease of installation, and eco-friendly operation, this water heater offers the perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and sustainability. Number 2. The Camplux Pro 6L 1.58 GPM water heater, a compact yet powerful solution designed to provide hot water wherever your adventures take you. Unmatched performance. The Camplux Pro 6L boasts an impressive 1.58 gallons per minute (GPM) flow rate, ensuring a steady stream of hot water for all your outdoor needs. Whether you're washing dishes, taking a shower, or filling up a portable bathtub, this water heater delivers consistent performance, making it ideal for camping, off-grid living, and recreational use. Compact and portable design. One of the standout features of the Camplux Pro 6L is its compact and portable design. Weighing just 14.99 pounds and measuring 14.37 x 7.87 x 21.65 inches, this water heater is easy to transport and set up wherever you go. Whether you're installing it in your RV, mounting it on a trailer, or setting it up at your campsite, its lightweight construction ensures hassle-free installation and operation. Conclusion. Camplux Pro 6L 1.58 GPM water heater is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable and efficient hot water solution. With its unmatched performance, compact design, versatile fuel options, user-friendly controls, and safety features, it's the perfect companion for camping, off-grid living, and recreational activities. Say goodbye to cold showers and hello to endless hot water with the Camplux Pro 6 liters. Number 1. The Camplux tankless water heater. Designed for outdoor use, this portable and efficient water heater ensures that you can enjoy hot water wherever your adventures take you. Compact and portable. One of the standout features of the Camplux tankless water heater is its compact and portable design. Weighing just over 10 pounds and measuring 17.32 x 7.87 x 11.81 inches, this water heater is easy to transport and set up wherever you need it. Whether you're camping, fishing, or enjoying a day at the beach, you can bring the comfort of hot water with you. Efficient heating technology. Equipped with advanced heating technology, the Camplux tankless water heater provides instant hot water on demand. Unlike traditional water heaters that store and continuously heat a large volume of water, tankless water heaters heat water directly as it passes through the unit. This not only saves energy, but also ensures that you never run out of hot water. Final thoughts. Camplux tankless water heater is a must-have accessory for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities. Its compact and portable design, Efficient heating technology, adjustable temperature controls, and versatile applications make it a valuable addition to any outdoor gear collection. Say goodbye to cold showers and hello to endless hot water with the Camplux tankless water heater. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.